Welcome to MindSpark Pro, your ultimate destination for English tests and logical reasoning. Upgrade your language skills with us and excel in reading and writing. Subscribe now and embark on a journey of English proficiency. Join our comprehensive channel offering a wide range of quizzes and tests designed to enhance your language abilities. Challenge yourself, have fun, and test your knowledge with our weekly quizzes covering spelling, grammar, vocabulary, and logical reasoning. Improve your English fluency with our daily grammar tests, Q&A sessions, and exercises focused on tenses, grammar rules, and logical reasoning. Gain confidence in your communication skills through our English learning tips and quizzes. Ready to take your English proficiency to the next level? Join our Grammar Challenge, Grammar Quizzes, and 10 English Quiz series. Explore our general quizzes and find answers to common English grammar questions. Master verb tenses with our tenses practice exercises and multiple choice tests. Delve into the intricacies of prepositions with our English proverb quiz. Subscribe now for engaging tests, quizzes, and valuable resources to enhance your English. Let's embark on this language learning journey together. Thanks for watching this video on how to unlock your English potential with MindSpark tests and quizzes. I hope these resources help you make progress on your English language goals. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. As always, keep practicing your English. Whether it's listening to podcasts while commuting, reading news articles, or watching shows with subtitles, consistent exposure will help boost your skills. Remember, you have the power to master this language. Stay committed to continual learning and you'll be speaking English fluently in no time. Now go forth and unlock your potential.